K-drama fans, if you are looking for shows that deliver from start to finish, you are in the right place. Today, we are counting down the top 10 perfect K-dramas you won't want to miss. Let's dive in. 10. Goblin, the Lonely and Great God. A fantasy masterpiece, Goblin tells the story of a cursed immortal searching for peace and his fated bride who holds the key to his freedom. Gong Yoo and Kim Go Yoon deliver stellar performances, while the bromance between the Goblin and Grim Reaper played by Lee Dong-wook steals the show. This drama is equal parts heartwarming, tragic, and visually stunning. 9. 2521. 2521 is a heartfelt coming-of-age drama set during South Korea's 1990s economic crisis. It follows Na Hee-do, a determined fencing prodigy, and Bak Yi-jin, a former chaebol heir rebuilding his life. Their bittersweet romance and journey of resilience, friendship, and ambition are beautifully told through Hee-do's teenage diary, blending nostalgia with emotional depth. 8. Reply 1988. This nostalgic slice-of-life drama is a love letter to simpler times. It follows 5 childhood friends and their families living in a small Seoul neighborhood during the late 1980s. Packed with laughter, family struggles, and tender moments, Reply 1988 perfectly captures the essence of youth, community, and first love. Deok Sun and Tak's journey from childhood besties to a loving couple is packed with sweet moments, making this a must-watch for any fan to start to ending episodes. 7. Healer. Healer is the perfect mix of action, mystery, and romance. Ji Chang-wook shines as a skilled courier with a hidden identity, and Park Min-young plays a gutsy journalist. Their quest to uncover a decades-old conspiracy is filled with adrenaline-pumping moments and a love story that feels raw and genuine. The drama received modest ratings in its home country. It gained a fanbase overseas and made Ji Chang-wook known outside Korea. 6. Scarlet Heart, Yo. Time travel meets royal intrigue in this emotional rollercoaster of a drama. Yu plays a modern woman trapped in the Goryeo dynasty, entangled in love and politics with its royal princess. Lee Joon-gi's haunting performance as the tormented fourth Prince Wang So will stay with you long after the credits roll. The series is both sad and memorable and was one of the most watched fantasy K-dramas start to finish. 5. It's Okay to Not Be Okay. With its stunning visuals and profound themes, this drama explores mental health and emotional healing. Seo Ye-ji and Kim Soo-hyun bring to life a poignant story about love, trauma, and self-acceptance, leaving a lasting impact on viewer. The series follows its 3 lead characters helping each other move on from their respective traumas. However, the twist reveals a dark connection between the 3 characters that was impossible to foresee. 4. What's Wrong with Secretary Kim? What's Wrong with Secretary Kim is a funny love story about a boss named Lee Young-joon who is very proud of himself. His secretary, Kim Mi-so, is very good at her job and always helps him. When she decides to quit, he realizes how much he needs her and tries to win her back. This story is about learning to be a better person and finding the right balance between work and life. 3. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha. Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha is a heartwarming Korean drama that tells the story of Yoon Hae-jin, a dentist who moves to a peaceful seaside village. She meets a charming and helpful man named Hong Do-sik, and they develop a special bond. This drama is not only a romantic comedy but also a heartwarming story about the people in the village and their lives. It's a feel-good show that will make you smile and feel good. 2. The Glory. The Glory is a popular Korean drama based on a true story about bullying. It's a dark and intense show that explores the serious issue of bullying in South Korea. The talented actors bring the characters to life, making the story even more impactful. Rewatching The Glory allows you to delve deeper into the story, understand the complex characters, and reflect on important social issues like corruption, class, and nepotism. A gripping tale of revenge, The Glory stars Song Hye-kyo as a woman who meticulously plans to destroy her bullies. Its layered characters, brilliant writing, and satisfying conclusion make it an unforgettable masterpiece. 1. Vincenzo. Vincenzo is a thrilling Korean drama about a Korean-Italian mafia lawyer named Vincenzo Asano. He returns to Korea to claim hidden gold but ends up helping people fight against a powerful company. The story has many twists and turns, and the big reveal at the end is a surprise for everyone. It's a great mix of action, comedy, and drama that will keep you entertained. The series was also popular among international viewers through Netflix, maintaining its position in the top 10 TV shows on Netflix in the world since its start to ending episodes. That's it for our top 10 perfect K-dramas. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more K-drama content. Thanks for watching.